Hi, this is Arfin Khan.
And this is Sarah Afin Khan, and you guys are watching us on Street Diaries with Samina,
Samina.
only on Zoom.
Only on Zoom. Before we got married, हम लोग every single day, 7 days a week, restaurant में जाते थे. I was in the movie मेरे brother की दुल्हन और कटरीना कैफ भी उसमें थी. उसके बारे में मैं कल ये बोलना चाहता हूँ, शी इज़ अमेजिंग. और उसका डाइट का कंट्रोल जो था, इट वाज अमेजिंग. जब मैं ऋतिक रोशन से पहली दफ़ा मिला था और उसने मुझे एक डाइट दी थी, एंड व्हेन आई मेट हिम आफ्टर 14 वीक्स, मुझे बोलता है कि व्हाट द हेल, हाउ डिड यू लूज सो मच वेट? आई मीन योर डाइट.
He fell in love with me. He was head over heels to me.
फिर एक दिन इसकी हेल्थ ख़राब हो गई थी. मैं हॉस्पिटल में थी, मैंने उसको देखा, मैंने बोला मैं इसकी शादी करूँ.
You need to do something about your weight. And like, I have just come out from hellhole, and instead of telling me something nice, this is all he had to say. I don't want him to lose weight. I just want him to have muscles. ऐसे चल रहा है. I'm like, Afin, can you please walk straight? If you do this, I'm going home. Everybody is thinking that I am an evil person. कि आप क्यों ऐसे बोल रहे बेचारे को? मैं वहाँ पे उसको छोड़ के आ गई.
She comes up to me, she goes to me, मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि YRF ने एक ऑटिस्टिक आदमी को रोल दिया. मैंने बोला मैं ऑटिस्टिक नहीं हूँ.
Opening credits introducing Afin Khan. He's not even an actor. हमने जाको मारा है ऑडिशन पे ऑडिशन जाके. यश राज का क्रेडिट नहीं मिला है.
Hi, this is Samina Sheikh here on my special show Street Diaries, and with me right now I have Sana along with her husband Arfin. So join me as I welcome both of them on Zoom. But before that, I also have Tahir over here. Not Tahir actually, Moir. So I'll just welcome him over here because he's going to tell me कि तवक्कल की खासियत क्या होती है रमज़ान के दौर.
Hi, बहुत सारी खासियत है. As you can see, we've already started because people are hungry. So the Nalli Nihari is our speciality. Whereas there is a paya that is coming in after this. फिर हमारा बैदा रोटी, चिकन रोल्स, मटन रोल्स और बारबेक्यू के ऊपर भी हमारी 4-5 आइटम है. तंदूरी है, काली मिरी टिक्का है, मलाई टिक्का है विच इज़ वेरी गुड. गुर्दा बेजा है जो आई थिंक हम खाएंगे या नहीं खाएंगे पता नहीं. बट we'll start off with the nihari and the paya. Then we'll go to the keema and the khichda maybe. And if there's more place, then always end it with the malpua and malai.
Now that he's shared the entire menu with us, we are going to move on to our guests who seem to be already enjoying their food. I could see like Arfin sir is on it while Sana is kind of having a conversation. Sarah. So yes, Sarah is here and Arfin sir is here. So both of you welcome on Street Diaries, and I could see that you seem to be enjoying. ये शूट के पहले बोल रहे थे कि मुझे भूख नहीं है. And clearly इन्हें भूख नहीं है. As you could see that कि काफ़ी भूख नहीं है. But tell me something, how are you enjoying this? What's your favorite right now?
Yeah, it is good. I'm telling you, I wasn't hungry, but ये देख के छोड़ो. जब ये बात कर रहे थे कि हम ये लाएंगे, हम वो लाएंगे, I'm like, okay, I'm really hungry now.
आपका डाइट कैसे है when it comes to रमज़ान और रमज़ान के साथ ये सब जो इतनी डिलिशियस डिशेस यहाँ पे जो रखा है मोइन ने, तो वी कांट काइंड ऑफ लाइक रियली अवॉइड देम. एक जगह पे होता है कि डाइट भी हो जाए, साथ में वेट लॉस हो जाए, बट एट द सेम टाइम यहाँ पर इफ़ यू कुड सी यहाँ पे डाइट के चांसेस तो लगने.
हाँ, नॉर्मली मैं डाइट करता हूँ, लेकिन आज और मैं निहारी कभी खाता नहीं हूँ. आई डोंट लाइक इट, बट दिस इज़ रियली गुड, लाइक जेन्युइनली अमेजिंग. सो मेरी डाइट खत्म आज.
ओवर द इयर्स रमज़ान में आप दोनों का डाइट कैसे रहा?
मेरा अच्छा है.
इसका रमज़ान और
मेरा
रमज़ान eats only once a day.
मेरा 5 किलो कम होता है, 1 meal a day and that's it.
Me, after I open iftar, normally because पूरा दिन डाइट होता है, इफ्तार के बाद I think मेरा टमी बहुत फुल हो जाता है. So normally I don't eat dinner, but I have tea, fruits and then maybe snack later in the night. लेकिन अगर if you go in a restaurant and especially like a place like तवक्कल जो हम लोग हर साल आते हैं, तो आके ऑटोमेटिकली पता नहीं क्यों भूख लगने लगती है. वरना ये जितना भी रोज़ा हुआ है 7th-6th रोज़ा, I have not eaten dinner. So automatically the tummy shrinks, I think, because you don't feel hungry. I cannot relate to people who eat whole night. नहीं हो सकता है.
हलीम looks very good और मैंने यहाँ पे हलीम खाया भी है. The हलीम over here is very tasty. I must say that. I think it's chicken and mutton दोनों में. It's mutton, right? But it's actually very good. So I'm also going to attack on this food items, but I'm like literally controlling myself. But both have you been into mind coaching? How do you convince your mind during such occasions where you have to fast और खाना आसपास हो?
ये माइंड ठीक करता है, मैं खराब करती हूँ, तो इसलिए हमारा सही. हाँ.
You get it, pasta.
I got all my training from her. So I don't think आपको अपने आप को कंट्रोल करना चाहिए, because if you see food you should eat it. लेकिन अगर आपका आउटकम क्लियर है कि आपको अपने आप को हेल्दी रखना है, you will not eat. So it's not about prevention is better than cure. So I will eat this, but मेरा लिमिट होगा. तो एक चीज़ का लिमिट नहीं है, गाजर का हलवा और रबड़ी.
रबड़ी यहाँ पर भी मिलती.
हाँ, that's a killer that can destroy all my diet. उसमें मुझे विल पावर नहीं है. But generally speaking, अगर आपका आउटकम अच्छा है कि आपको अपने आप को अच्छा रखना है, you won't eat anyway.
But do you both feel that खाना जो एक ऐसी चीज़ है उसके वजह से the entire body functions accordingly. Like if you don't get the right food, so many times our moods depend on what we eat. कई बार ऐसे बोलते हैं कि like go into a healthy diet and probably the way we speak changes. Do you all agree on?
I agree, but I think you healthy diet लोग बताते हैं. I don't believe in any of that. I think the most healthiest diet is to be happy, number one. And number two, your input equals your output. Right? आपको मालूम है कि there's certain things, like for example, sugar should be banned, it should be illegal. The problem is that people are food addicts. Addictions है. Reality है आपको खाना चाहिए जब आपको भूख लगे. आपको ना खाना नहीं चाहिए because आपको खाना चाहिए. It should be done because I'm hungry, I eat. I'm not hungry, I don't eat. So that's the way it should be done, I think.
एंड आई फील कि जैसे आप अपने बॉडी को ट्रेन करोगे वैसे आपका बॉडी होगा. अल्लाह इज मेड अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल बॉडी. हाउ एवर यू ट्रेन इट, आप देखो खाली 1-2 दिन पहले तकलीफ होगी रोज़ा बिकॉज यू आर गेटिंग यूज टू इट. उसके बाद योर बॉडी इज फंक्शनिंग परफेक्ट. इन फैक्ट आप देखो ड्यूरिंग फास्टिंग आपको बहुत एनर्जी होगी. जैसे ही आप खाना खाओगे आप स्लो हो जाओगे. एंड अभी तो ऐसे लगता है कि हम हम यूज टू हो गए. आफ्टर रमदान आपको याद दिलाना पड़ेगा अपने आप को कि अच्छा हम खा सकते हैं. सो बॉडी इज़ इनक्रेडिबल. एंड जैसे बोलते हैं ना कि यू आर व्हाट यू ईट. इट्स ट्रू. यू ईट जंक, इट शोज इन योर माइंड, इट शोज इन योर थॉट, इट शोज इन योर स्किल. यू ईट परफेक्ट एंड आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि सब कुछ परफेक्ट. थिंग्स लाइक शुगर एंड ऑब्वियसली थिंग्स लाइक too much fried stuff or alcohol and these things, you see the difference between people who are having it and people who are not having it. There's a far bigger difference.
सबसे important हिस्सा आपके बॉडी का is your gut. If your gut is not healthy, आपका thinking pattern भी unhealthy होगा. And it's a scientific reality. Okay? Your gut sends messages to your brain. But if you're full of eating food that is so deadly, तो आपका gut is bad, your whole life is bad.
But at the same time, जैसे कि खाने की बात करें and साथ में खाना और Bollywood. And Bollywood goes simultaneously whenever we come to Tawakkal also because we have seen many Bollywood actors coming over here enjoying the cuisine. आपकी क्या memories रही है, coming over here because I know that you all have come, in the past as well. So tell us something about that. Have you all ever, like, whenever you all have gone on dates before, like getting married and all, or tell me your story around food, if your dating life, your love life, your married life, how it has been.
Before we got married, हम लोग every single day, 7 days a week, restaurant में जाते थे.
Yeah.
7 days a week. I'm not exaggerating. Down में एक restaurant है. We used to go there 7 days a week. कोयला. हाँ, हम लोग वहाँ जाते थे. And not necessarily for the food. बातचीत करना. इस place का मुझे क्या पसंद है? I like bright places. Vibe अच्छा है. Energy is really nice. You walk in here and the people are very nice. I think for me vibe is पहले, खाना is second.
And last year also had come over here. Every year. It's like a ritual कि रमदान में मुझे अगर मैसेज ना आए तवक्कल से, ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता है। और हम वेट करते हैं, वी लुक फॉरवर्ड टू इट बिकॉज आई मोस्टली इन्जॉय फूड। मैं इतना क्रिटिकल नहीं हूँ, लेकिन ये महाशय जो है, ही इज़ अ क्रिटिक, ही इज़ अ फूड क्रिटिक। तो कभी मेरा कोलैबोरेशन भी होता है ना, तो आई हैव टू टेल हिम, कैन यू प्लीज बी अ लिटिल डिप्लोमेटिक। सो ही गिव्स मी अ आंसर। आई एम अ ट्रूथ कोच। मैं जो है सच्चाई बताता हूँ, और सच्चाई नहीं बताऊंगा तो दैट्स नॉट माई प्रोफेशन। ही इज ऑथेंटिक।
Yeah, and this place is coming from 1954. There must be
Something about.
nothing lasts that long.
And as we could see that, she's not stopped eating at all, though she was going to control. And yes, you have finished it already. But as we talk about, both of you have been a part of the Bollywood industry. वहाँ पे डाइट को लेके काफ़ी कुछ ना कुछ चलते रहता है. When I recently remember even Kartik Aaryan for 2 years, he went off the sugar for Chandu Champion. And many times, they are going on Ozempic, they are going on Mounjaro just to control the diet because, you're on camera. How do you both balance that side of it? Because y'all are also on camera. Y'all have also worked on camera.
I mean, I should give you experience about मेरे brother की दुल्हन.
हाँ.
But how Katrina.
I was going to say that. I was in the movie मेरे brother की दुल्हन, और कटरीना कैफ भी उसमें थी. उसके बारे में मैं कल ये बोलना चाहता हूँ, शी इज़ अमेजिंग. क्यों? बिकॉज वेरी हार्ड वर्किंग, और उसका डाइट का कंट्रोल जो था, इट वाज अमेजिंग. सो आई थिंक जब इंसान अपने लाइफ के बारे में शेयर्स होता है, वो ऑटोमेटिकली अपना खाने के बारे में शेयर्स होता है. जब मैं ऋतिक रोशन से पहली दफ़ा मिला था, मेरा वजन 20 किलो ज़्यादा था, और उसने मुझे एक डाइट दी थी. बोला करोगे? मैंने बोला हाँ. जब मैंने डाइट देखी, मैं बोला
So his wife didn't motivate him. Hrithik Roshan.
it was ऋतिक, no doubt.
What about the snack?
So he said to me, you're such a good coach, why don't you lose some weight? I'll give you a diet. He gave me the diet and I nearly had a heart attack because it was very hard. Anyway, मैंने अब ज़बान दे दी है. So I did the diet. I lost 14 kilos in 10 weeks. And it's very simple. 1,000 calories a day burn karo. Eat 5 meals a day, which is a big problem for me because I don't eat.
The diet would be lighter then.
No, big meals. Or weekend को pizza. Weekend को pizza, ice cream. लेकिन I can't. It's secret. I can't tell you right now.
Okay.
Right?
I would like this.
So yeah, I followed it, and every single day I would उसको मैं message भेजता था कि मैं ये कर रहा हूँ. And he helped me lose 14 kilos in 10 weeks. And when I met him after 14 weeks, मुझे बोलता है कि what the hell, how did you lose so much weight? I mean, well, your diet. बोलते हैं मैंने 100 लोगों को दी है, लेकिन खाली एक इंसान ने कंप्लीट किया, आपने कंप्लीट किया. So it was, yeah, I think a man with a mission, a woman with a mission, everything falls into place. This is the greatest.
But I have to ask this, and correct me if I'm wrong. Both have worked in Mere Brother Ki Dulhan. He did. So did y'all? Yes, it did.
क्या है? Singam again, of course. हाँ.
They worked on that. But I have to ask, like when he was working in Mere Brother Ki Dulhan, I have not known about your love story as such. Did you know him, much before that? Did you know him otherwise? How the equation was, that time, just a friendship, and how it developed into love and marriage?
Equation. He fell in love with me. He was head over heels for me. And then I thought, हो गया, ये इशारे मत करना, सबको पता है, you don't act like a cool dude. So,
Reality ये है कि
and I knew that he's
साल से भाग रही थी,
मेरे पीछे.
right? और मैं इसको बोलता हूँ no. फिर एक दिन इसकी हेल्थ ख़राब हो गई थी, मैं हॉस्पिटल में थी, मैंने इसको देखा, मैंने बोला मैं इसकी शादी करूँ.
आपके हॉस्पिटल कंडीशन है बस ना यार.
So जब मैं
But it's true.
मतलब बीमारी के हालत में he liked me better. So I don't know what that means, whether he wants to see me like that or what I mean.
I don't know.
Are you liking right now?
Yeah. See, he has to go home. तभी तो हो जाएगा.
मैं सीधा बोल देता हूँ.
He has no choice. No choice.
But has he ever given you such compliments like आज थोड़ा आउटफिट में हेल्दी लग रही हो? कभी ऐसे रिमार्क्स आए हैं उनकी तरफ से?
Let me tell you one thing about Afeel. He is not diplomatic. तो आप जो बोल रहे हो ना कि आप थोड़ा healthy लग रही हो, you're looking fat, girl. It's simple as that.
You have to be honest, right?
Yeah, he's honest. Yeah. The fact when he saw, see what happened in Big Boss, what happened? they didn't give us food, okay? So I started having Rajat Dalal or Yero ka na protein shake. It didn't suit me. I started bloating. So he was eliminated first when he saw me in Big Boss. When I came, the first thing, you need to do something about your weight. And I'm like, I have just come out from hellhole, and instead of telling me something nice, this is all he had to say. And then मेरे पीछे लग गया ये. And उसके बाद, I mean, whatever the motivation, it's him. I agree. Whatever it is, every time I have a project, he's motivated me to lose weight. Why? Arrows of the tongue. You're fat. Listen. Do something about yourself. See? And this is not body shaming. This is just purely giving you a reality check. हाँ, और reality check है भाई.
मुझे भी नहीं छोड़ती है, मेरे भी पीछे लगी हुई है अभी. हाँ, she wants me to lose.
So you're like fine by Barak in good shape. मुझे इसके बाद ये बोलना. बस ये बात है हमें I don't know वही इंटरनेट जो हमें यहाँ पे अभी दिया है खाने में. I don't want him to lose weight. I just want him to have muscles.
You know, first project of yours when you kind of did your stint was with YRF, and which was Mere Brother Ki Dulhan. Was that your first stint with YRF, at least with YRF, if I'm not
I'm not an actor. मैंने कभी हाँ और मैंने कभी सोचा भी नहीं था कि मैं एक्टिंग करूँगा. My first ever film was YRF. मुझे एक ऑडिशन में भेजा गया by tricking me कि जाके किसी से मिलो, उनको कोचिंग की ज़रूरत है. जब मैं वहाँ पहुँचा बोलते ऑडिशन है, तो मैंने बोला what the hell, then I rang up the person. She said Mr. Positive, now you're there, do the audition, and I got the role. मैं नहीं करने वाला था, इसने मुझे बोला अगर नहीं करोगे.
Calls me. I'm in BioRef. I've got the audition. ये मेरा profession नहीं है. I'm not going to do it. I said, Afin, just do it. और मैं सोच रही हूँ ज़रूरी थोड़ी वो करेगा audition और मिलेगा. हाँ. I'm like, just do it. He's like, no, I can't do that. I said, what you can't, you must. ये इसका dialogue है. What you can't, you must. इसने आदित्य चोपड़ा के टीम को बोला मैं next day आता हूँ audition देने, ठीक है? Because the role was difficult. It was autistic आदमी का role.
Very hard also.
He came back with a script and everything. He said, let's go to Lokhandwala. I have some work there. ये बात तक I'm walking and मैं बार-बार पीछे देख रही हूँ इतना क्यों late है? ऐसे चल रहा है. I'm like, Afin, can you please walk straight? If you do this, I'm going home. Anyway, we walked in this mobile shop and everybody is like, मैडम एक मिनट रुको. हाँ सर आपको क्या चाहिए सर बताइए ना. He's like, I'm like, I said, Afin, can you behave yourself? Then everybody is thinking that I am an evil person. कि आप क्यों ऐसे बोल रहे बेचारे को, मैं वहाँ पे उसको छोड़ के आ गई. So this is what he did, saying the Adi Chopra की team को कि I'll come back next day because he wanted to see whether his acting, whatever he does on the role is right and people believe. Next day, he did it and he comes back. I've got the role. I'm like, what? मैं बोल रही थी करना, as if you'll get it, just do it. And then we got the role. Opening credits introducing Afin Khan. He's not even an actor. हमने जाको मारा है audition जाके यश राज का credit नहीं मिला है. Yeah, I want to use to Eva because how she's saying. यार कहीं ना कहीं शाहरुख तो जीत कर रहा है ये कर. बस एक्सी का.
Yeah, मतलब in fact movie के set पे the second lead woman, I forget her name, she comes up to me, she goes to me, मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि YRF ने एक ऑटिस्टिक आदमी को रोल दिया. मैंने बोला मैं ऑटिस्टिक नहीं हूँ. Yeah, it happened.
But how the mahol was, you know, when you were on the set? Because first time you have done something like this and then you have not never explored into. Would you want to?
Yeah, it was. See, I went there. मैंने सोचा सब लोग बैठेंगे, planning करेंगे, ये करेंगे, वो करेंगे. First day, अच्छा, take your seat, action. What the hell do I do? I have no idea. Like it was brilliant. My whole set was fantastic. Some actors were very good. Ali Abbas Zafar, the director, उसकी पहली film थी. He was it was brilliant. I had a great experience.
And after that, I must tell you that he got a lot of roles, even for English to English. But this Mahashay said, no, I don't want to deviate from my work. And I don't understand why he didn't. Lisa.
Yeah, he was good. Even she was with Ali Zafar. He was good as well. He was a nice man. Yeah. And I think even Imran Khan, even though he's not here right now, I think one day he'll be a very, very big director. That-
On that note, I think we should just move on to eating this all the more. So Sarah and Arfin, I'm going to ask both of you an interesting question, which is doing the rounds all the time whenever you both are also spotted together. Being a couple, you both went the Big Boss house, Big Boss 18, and झगड़े ही नहीं हुए और ये expectations होते because Rubina also when she went with her husband there were a lot of fights जो couple वहाँ पे बने कि कितनों के breakup हुए हैं and all these things. So tell us about your journey in the Big Boss house.
I think बहुत कोशिश हुई थी हमारा झगड़ा करने की, लेकिन नहीं हुआ. In fact, मतलब डायरेक्ट अटैक, इनडायरेक्ट अटैक, इसके सर पे वो एक्सपायरी डेट डाली थी कि आपके हस्बैंड की वजह से ये हो रहा है, to make her go crazy, but it didn't work. तो आई थिंक एडवांटेज था कि नहीं हुआ, लेकिन शो अगर हम लोग झगड़ते शायद हम लोग आखिर तक रहते.
Yeah, I think they were expecting us कि हम झगड़ा करें, और शायद शो के लिए करना भी चाहिए था, क्योंकि जो रियलिटी है वो रियलिटी है नहीं, हम ऐसे ही है रियल में, तो हम झगड़ा बेफिजूल का करते नहीं है. It takes a lot for us to fight, and we don't fight. There is a discussion, so there's no fight. So everybody told us, why didn't you all fight? Because they want to see husband-wife का drama go ahead. लेकिन you know what? We're not just going to do this for the reality show, for a show. So we were as authentic in this possible. But after he was eliminated, that's when I lost the plot. And that's when I realized इस गेम में टिकने के लिए झगड़ा करना पड़ता है, और मुझे they pushed me to a level where I had to fight. They didn't like my calm self. Every time I was calm, I was nice, masti, they wouldn't like it, and it was a very unfair thing that was happening. I can't explain you completely, but बहुत सारा चीज़ें हुआ जो बहुत unfair था. And I just think I had to keep fighting, because some people had their benefits and favorites. I was clearly not one of their favorites. So every week to sustain, I had to create a drama.
सलमान was very nice. सलमान के साथ बहुत अच्छे थे.
Salman was...
आप लोगों को कैसे इक्वेशन रहा है सलमान के साथ में, post Big Boss, like have you all been in touch?
I haven't, लेकिन सारा के साथ बहुत अच्छा बॉन्ड था. Especially the last day's party में, Sarah and Salman spoke for hours.
I think Salman, the only person that Salman spoke to, or two people, was me and Afin. He was just talking to us. And funnily, he just said, you were my favorite. And I said, but it didn't feel like it. Then he said, I was told to shout at you, but I didn't. And he said, I took your name very nicely, Sarah. And then I was like all blushing. I said, oh, dude, became he liked me a lot, and
He's cool, man.
he's really cool, He's really nice.
Do you find him more better, as a host or like more as a human? Like
I think he's the same.
he doesn't change.
It's what जो दिखता है वो वही है. I haven't seen two sides of his personality. जैसे वो stage में वो बात भी ऐसे करता है. So it's good. It's real.
But to both of you, and especially to you, Sarah, would you prefer being a part of such reality shows where you get such kind of exposure, but at the same time it brings the other side of you, the drama side of you, where you have to, to fight for your right?
I don't mind fighting. I don't mind creating drama. People are watching reality shows and they don't want to see a meditational state of people. They want to see fight and drama. हम अगर news भी देखते हैं तो हम ड्रामे के लिए देखते हैं. हम अगर सास बहू कहानी भी देखते हैं तो हम ड्रामे के लिए देखते हैं. And that's okay. I learned that inside the house that I have to create drama to actually survive. And that's okay. लेकिन जितना unfairity हो रहा था वो मैं थोड़ा disappointed. But having said that, I still am telling the journey of Big Boss I don't regret. And especially the first month, it was the most beautiful month of our lives, isn't it? It was fun, it was crazy, and it was just nice. So I don't regret anything. Reality shows, yes, I would like to do it again, but I will suss out which one is right for me.
I thought it was great. अगर मैं दोबारा जाऊँ, I would play completely different.
But do you feel that you would, when he's look a reality show again?
Or if given a chance, would you play the different side of you rather than being diplomatic, you know, being more calm?
Thing because, see, I played my real self. Like in reality show, में you cannot play your real self. You have to do drama. So I could have really, even at Big Boss में मुझे बोलती थी, trigger करो. I said no, I'm not doing it. I should have. because मुझे trigger करना बहुत अच्छा आता है.
We could have easily done mind games there. Easily. I was telling him, मैंने एक afternoon उसको बोला, you know what, Afin, I have seen you trigger people to reach success. Okay? You have to trigger here. He said to me, that's below my integrity. मैं गेम के लिए किसी को ट्रिगर नहीं करूँगा आगे जाने के लिए. हाँ, उनके रियल लाइफ में उनको ट्रिगर करूँगा उनको आगे बढ़ाने के लिए. I said, Afin, it's a show. Please do, because I felt something is going to happen, you know. And
So, Zarina, as she said, like triggering was important. All these reality shows somewhere have this thing, you know, where it's all about mind games. And eventually the work is of the mind. And, you know, so many times, time to time, even Salman reminded the people that game ki jaise lo, don't get emotionally involved. But at various occasions, we have seen many contestants getting emotional, and it's a wreckage, you know, it's very bad, and sometimes it takes a toll on a lot of people. And we have seen that. So what do you have to say on that?
I think a lot of the contestants go through massive trauma after the show.
yeah.
I mean, because क्या होता है, आप बाहर आते हो, आप सोचते हो कि oh, I'm famous, which is fine. लेकिन जो अगर आप सोशल मीडिया के कमेंट्स देखोगे, मैं ज़िंदगी में कभी ट्रोल नहीं हुआ. When I came out, I read messages. I was shocked. People can be very mean.
No.
Lucky for me,
It's not only people's fault, it's also how the edit is shown. That plays a very important part.
I think it didn't bother me. Like, I swear by God, not at all. Because I know. लेकिन जिसको समझ नहीं है, it can be a killer. I'm not kidding you. That's why आप देखोगे majority reality show participants show के बाद कुछ करते नहीं हैं.
Yeah, take a proper break.
No,
Go into healing session.
they're going to do nothing. You name me one Big Boss contestant that has gone through the roof into the sky after the show. दिखाओ मुझे. कौन? Shehnaz. But even Shehnaz, she's done well. लेकिन मैं बोला stardom, mega stardom किसको मिला है? Nobody. Because ultimately आपको action लेना पड़ेगा. You have to go crazy to promote yourself. I think Elvish did brilliant. Manohar Faruqi, fantastic. Rajat,
Then again, they're not actors. They're not actors. That is proper reality, live reality.
Rajat hai. He'll do well. Matt,
He's the 50, he was that
he was good.
was
Yeah.
taken very bad.
He's good. So what I'm saying is, ये ऐसे लोग इससे बहुत फ़ायदा उठाएंगे. लेकिन जो टीवी या फिल्म एक्टर्स अगर आए हैं, name me one जिसने शो के बाद कुछ किया है. I challenge anyone. Nothing.
So, you know, Sara, as we also come to the end of the conversations, you have worked in Singham again. You have worked with the best of actors, I must say that. How the journey has been when you have worked in TV versus when you have worked in Bollywood?
TV is hard work. Bollywood is smart work. Simple as that. TV में गधा मजदूरी होता है. Bollywood में गधा मजदूरी नहीं होता है. It's very peaceful. It's at your own time. People are extremely professional, very friendly as well at the same time. TV का है, लेकिन आप घर घर में दिखते हो. Your income also, I'm talking about actors. It's a regular income. It's not the same in the film. Film में you are dependent on the movie चलेगी कि नहीं चलेगी. Most TV, people watch it. So that's also there. If you ask me, I enjoyed both. It's a phase, isn't it? There's a point before my kids were born, I enjoyed TV because I could work 16 hours a day, fine. Now, I enjoyed Singham again more, and I would love to do more OTT and, you know, all these platforms, because now I have kids, so I have to think. So if I get a nice cameo on TV or maybe finite show, I would definitely do that. But I'm looking more at films and OTT and that kind of project.
I think the best thing to be on now is on Netflix type shows, because उसमें आपको daily visibility मिलती है, on demand visibility मिलती है. और movie में, like she said, you know, she did a good role in Singham. Right, I'm not saying that because she's my wife. I actually really liked it, but the movie wasn't that great, according to me. So मैं बोला कि TV में उसको इंसान दोबारा every day.
So you're
Then-
there with the people, you know, you're connecting to the people. There's more connection.
And more like visibility ke hisab se there is less. I think you're enough visible. With films, sometimes if it doesn't work, you're just one film under. Or if it works, it works. Like for Tripti Dimri, it happened so, like, you know, one film wonder. It worked for her, Avinash Tiwari, and now where we see their career graphs. But is it also very difficult, you know, Sarah, when I ask you to have a finding in the world of cinema and art? Because now we see a lot of people are there, you know, in this field. It's not like they're not there. But at the same time, not everyone is getting that kind of recognition. To build that and to then amp up, you know, especially when there is social media, there is AI coming into place. There are so many advances which has taken place. The creativity is on a different level. It's difficult to kind of even be there, because, you know, people will recognize you as a name like that.
I think this is the last generation of superstars. I think after Shah Rukh, Hrithik, who's there?
आप धर्मेंद्र जी का स्टारडम देखो, जितेंद्र जी का स्टारडम देखो, अमिताभ जी का स्टारडम देखो, उस कंपैरिजन से तो अभी का स्टारडम तो बहुत कम है. और हाँ की जनरेशन में और कम होगा, बिकॉज नाउ AI is come, as Afeen says, AI will just destroy everything. And there's too many people, too many,
And I think
you know, new artists coming, and then it's just spread out. It's just
I
spread.
think that abhi cinema's changed. Now people are the variety. You can, which is good. In the long run, the actor will become the winner, because now cinema's increasing, OTT is there, variety is there. The लोग आप performance देख रहे हैं ज़्यादा. I think the days of 5-6 superstars finished now.
Some rapid fire questions which I'm going to ask, and I'm just hoping that it comes out to be very interesting, because both are into mind coaching, so I'm sure like this one is going to be thoda sa. So the very first segment we are going to play is Dubai versus Mumbai. Would you rather? Since the journey has been in Dubai as well, so the very first question is 3 seconds. You have actually to answer the question. The vibe. How is it, a quiet sunset meditation on a private yacht in Dubai, or a loud, chaotic cutting chai at a roadside stall in Bandra?
Bandra.
Dubai. Yacht.
Bandra.
Yes.
The stress test. Being stuck in a 2-hour Mumbai traffic jam with no AC, or being stuck in a Dubai elevator with a person who doesn't believe in mindset coaching.
Elevator.
I think elevator too.
Yeah, elevator.
Elevator. Yes.
Career-wise, winning an Oscar for a film shot in Mumbai, or becoming the first globally recognized life coach based out of Dubai?
Second one, global life coach out of Dubai.
Oscar.
The cheat meal is gourmet gold leaf dining at the Burj Khalifa, or a messy vada pav from a street corner?
Burj Khalifa.
Pani Puri.
That no option.
Personality-wise, who's the Dubai of the relationship?
He's a Dubai.
Yeah, which is like more flashy, organized, high-tech.
Absolutely.
Yep, fire.
Mumbai. Mumbai very jam.
Mind reading rapid fire. So I'll ask one, and the other has to guess the partner's answer before they say it, okay? So first question to you, Sarah. Sarah, if you weren't an actress or coach, or into this world, what secret career would you have picked that Arfeen thinks you would be terrible at?
What do you think I would be terrible at? What? I'm a pilot.
Accountant.
He was doing a mind reading, so he.
Pilot, she's not flying a plane. No one's sitting in that plane.
Okay, so first impression. Aruni, what was the first mental block you noticed about Sara the day we met?
Oh, अगर उसने हाँ बोल दी वो किसी की सुनेगी नहीं. तूफान आएगा. Anything will come, she's going to do what she's going to do.
Yes,
She's really very well.
absolutely.
The reality check, okay? In Big Boss, who was most stressed? Sara inside the house or Arfin watching from the outside? He was most stressed.
Oh my God.
अरे दबाड़े के भी क्या बोल दूँ?
No, I thought to myself, this is going to be the first murder in Big Boss, because ये किसी का गला, but she's gonna grab someone's throat. Yeah. Because मुझे उसका लिमिट मालूम है कि अभी इसको
Because first of all, it was an unfair eviction. So every time I was seeing everybody as if, you know, it was very unfair.
धोखा मिला.
बहुत धोखा मिला. So it was just.
But I think so like this is important. देसा खाने के बाद अकेला.
पूरी जिंदगी से धोखा कर रहा हूँ.
Okay, last two question. The luxury habit. What is the most expensive thing Arfin has bought that Sara thinks was a complete waste of money? Now let's see if you.
I don't think it was a complete waste of money though. He has a watch. And then of course we have a house in London. So I love both of them. So I don't think it's a complete waste.
Basically, I don't waste money. That's what she's saying.
He's like very.
Yeah, and I'm a luxury person, so I like it. Kharch karo.
Okay, lastly, the morning ritual. Who's more likely to wake up and immediately check their phone versus who starts with a gratitude thought?
And that
I wake up saying, I'm alive. Thank you.
You come say, okay. I have to drag myself out of the bed.
I used to suggest controlling the sun.
You know, I wake up. There was a time where I used to wake up at 4:30 and go to the gym.
She did.
So I'm like, before the sunrise, I would come back home.
Even if she went to bed at 2:30, she
I
would
would
get
get
up
up
at 4:30. I don't know how she did that.
As we end this entire conversation, I have to ask you both because as you know, we speak about fitness also. What is your routine like? You know, when it comes to food, when it comes to fitness, when it comes to taking care of your skin and mental health? What do you both follow?
Mental health ke liye to, he's there. But the rest of the thing I take care of. Like, it's a very simple thing. First thing, our routine is when we wake up in the morning, हम ये warm water पीते हैं हल्दी वाला, जिसमें थोड़ा सा cinnamon होता है, pinch of black pepper and apple cider kalonji and apple cider vinegar. This is regular for years. We've been doing that for years. उसके बाद we normally don't have breakfast and lunch. I nibble a little in lunchtime, but dinner is our main, which I have. And we stick mostly to protein, at least I do. And then
मेरे पास कोई स्किन केयर रूटीन नहीं है.
इसका कुछ नहीं है, इसको बोल के थक गए. There's no skincare for me.
बकवास है जबरदस्त.
So, but this is somebody who has a nice skin anyway. So, you know, and men is like men.
नहीं, I mean आप एंटी रिंकल क्रीम का एडवर्ट हो रहा है, वो 19-year-old गर्ल लगा रही है. What logic is that?
One thing, if he looked after his skin, I would feel sick because I like men to be rough. You know what I'm saying? So he's okay. I
think you're happy with it. Like, yeah, I'm happy, mommy. You know.
yeah,
We also made a lot of things.
absolute.
आप practice बनाना पड़ता है इसे.
You know, Avan, मैं viewers को एक चीज बताना चाहूँगी कि we are very big on vitamins. We take a lot of vitamins. Like even when I'm
Like you can walk there in pills or like
both. So there's intravenous you have to take, you know, because it slows. ये तो वैसे ही vitamins flush out of your system. Like when I was pregnant, I used to have 10,000 mg of vitamin C's a day. So, you know.
And you know, if your vitamin D levels are low, nothing will work. Or India में vitamin D deficiency is the highest in the world. And it's called the queen of vitamins. आप देखेंगे जिनका vitamin D level high था, उनको COVID में कुछ effect नहीं आया था. So you have to first check the vitamin D, raise it by injection if you have to, and maintain that, and the rest of them will work.
And another thing that we also follow is that we don't have sugar in our food. बहुत मुश्किल से अब रमज़ान है, अब यहाँ पे तवक्कल के लिए आए हैं तो हम मना नहीं करेंगे, But normally, even our kids, for the first 3 years, they did not even taste sugar. They did not. We did not give them. Later, obviously, when they went for class, birthday cakes or isa wo.
Sugar is more addictive than cocaine. In studies. Ab imagine karo.
Do you know if you see this?
Kutin Ho, who is giving a lot of tips on Instagram, and a lot of celebrities are also following him. He says that while sugar should be controlled, for Indian bodies, we should not completely let go of it because we are kind of over the years.
सर तो आपके डाइट में शुगर है, आपके फ्रूट में शुगर है, आपके खाने में शुगर वैसे ही है.
White sugar should be.
And it's just that, in fact, sugar, white sugar and everything, that's like really bad. And whatever you're consuming, most of the food already has sugar. Biscuits has sugar. So not necessary आपको sugar मिलाना है. तो वो sugar आपका होता ही है. In fact, Dubai में they have now in every sugar-free food, every sugar food and drinks, they have a tax on it so that people can control it.
That's launched in Dubai. Fantastic. Sugar should be banned. Because you have good.
So because of sugar intake, it does work against the brain also, against the mind. So many times we're so addicted just to have sugar. Yes,
It's called a glycogen spike. So it's like you have sugar gives you a spike, but your inflammation levels will be destroyed. You know, so sugar should be made illegal. Good है ना? Is that good? Very pronounced.
Food है, stevia
Honey.
है, honey है, dates है, आजकल सब कुछ है. So why opt when you have an option? Why, go for unhealthy option? Just try it.
Sugar तो मुझे
शुगर को कंट्रोल करने की बात तो यहाँ पे कर ही रहे हैं, बट अभी यहाँ पर इन मीठा में आप दोनों क्या खाना पसंद करोगे?
Knew this was coming and that's why I said, saying all that कि normally we don't have. यहाँ पे आपने खा रहे हो?
नहीं बस यार खा लिया.
Please, you will eat.
वो secretly मैं खाऊंगा कैमरा के सामने नहीं, लेकिन कैमरा को नहीं बोलना.
और ये बोल के रहे honestly, I love this part. Like ये honestly sales के ना मैं इस करने वाला.
लेकिन व्यूअर्स को नहीं बताना कि मैं अभी एक बड़ा बोल रबड़ी खाऊंगा.
But lovely chatting with both of you and enjoying this entire Ramadan meal. Thank you so much for coming on this show and looking forward to see more of your work for both of you. I would like to know about that. The last part is about your work.
Right now, तो I'm focusing on, in fact, both of us are focusing on our foundation. जैसे कि आपने देखा होगा, सारा Arfin Khan Foundation, where we are motivating kids जितना हो सके आर्ट के तरफ एजुकेशन कर रहे हैं, क्रिएटिविटी दिला रहे ज़्यादा, क्योंकि क्रिएटिविटी इज़ मिसअंडरस्टूड एंड अंडररेटेड इन इंडिया. आई थिंक क्रिएटिविटी इज़ अ वेरी थेरेप्यूटिक एक्सपीरियंस दैट बोथ एडल्ट्स एंड किड्स मस्ट डू. तो हम उसकी तरफ बढ़ रहे हैं एंड जितना हो सके एक बच्चे को कोई भी किस्म का क्रिएटिविटी में पुश कर रहे हैं और मोटिवेट कर रहे हैं. वी हैव टू से एनीथिंग अबाउट इट?
Yeah, and I think वो foundation is the foundation of India. इंडिया की जो यंग लोग हैं उनका इमेजिनेशन खोलने में. एंड माई बिगेस्ट थिंग इज़ कि इंडिया में थिंग्स आर ग्रोइंग वेरी वेल बट थिंग्स आर गोइंग बैड इक्वली फास्ट. डिवोर्स रेट्स, एडिक्शंस, फाइनेंशियल डेट. और मेरा मेन ही एक ही मकसद है कि एंड द रीज़न आई वेंट ऑन बिग बॉस कि आई एम गोइंग टू डू सम मैजिकल वर्क टू हेल्प पीपल keep away from that rubbish effectively.
Is AI.
Of course.
AI, like I'm kind of about it, but yeah, it's something to learn, don't you feel? It's a lot to learn from AI.
You're talking
You have no choice.
obsessed with AI.
You have no choice. I will guarantee you within 1 year, 60% of all white collar jobs will be gone. अगर नहीं गया मैं अपना नाम बदल दूँ.
What he's saying is
60%. People don't realize. They think COVID hit them hard. You watch when this comes.
Lovely chatting with both of you. Thank you so much for coming on this show.